To offset objects in MS-CAD, we have the offset command, which can be found in the edit ribbon, or you can simply type offset in the command line. I start the command. I have two prompts here. I can either enter a distance or hit enter to choose a through point. I'm going to hit enter to choose through point. And now, for example, if I select this arc, and I'm now prompted to choose my through point, it's going to let me select any point within the drawing and it will offset to that distance. So if I pick way out here, I'll get an offset of that arc right at the point where I click my mouse. Again, I can select the entity and I pick my through point, and where this comes in handy is if I use a point node snap, for example, and I want to offset this arc so that it intersects point 1. Choose point 1, and now I've got an arc offset exactly on overlapping point 1. If I start the offset command again, choose a distance, for example, maybe I think 1 meter will work for this drawing. Choose my entity, pick this circle, and I'm going to hit type B, enter. That'll offset on both sides of the circle at a distance of 1 unit. I've got a polyline here with 2 line segments, and I'm going to do an offset at a distance of 2 meters this time. I'm going to pick that polyline, and I'm going to choose the side in which I want to offset. So if I pick out here, we can see that we've offset, and it's automatically created a fully connected polyline at an offset of 2 meters. This will also work for splines as well. So if I do an offset of 2 again, pick the spline, and we'll type B for both. We can see we've got a nice even offset of that spline. Here's a more complicated figure. Do an offset again. Just pick this side, and again we can see that the offset command automatically connects all of the new offset lines into one continuous polyline. That's just a quick overview of the offset options in MS-CAD. Keep in mind that this is a two-dimensional offset only, so the newly created offset lines or objects will be at the same elevation as the original object.